my name is Amethyst with WTI, and I was so excited when I got these little bow collars right here. These ones are designed for cats, which it's really important when you get a collar for your cat that it has a quick release just in case they get tangled into something or get strung up on something. But of course, like anything that I have to own, it needs to be cute. So we've got two little designs, the red and pink bow with white, pink, and red hearts. And I also really love the collars here. So we've got a more shiny one and a more typical collar with the bells, and I have done my research, and the bells are perfectly fine for your cat if your individual cat can handle them. They usually learn to tune it out, but I personally like the bells because I have 4 cats. So it's nice to know where they are, what they're doing, and make sure that they're not in places that they shouldn't be. This little bell lets me know as soon as they enter into the kitchen. So I love the bells personally, and I just absolutely love these so much. They're really easy to put on my cats. So if you are looking for something cute for your cat or cats, I highly recommend you check out this set right here. I love them. My cats don't seem to mind them, which is all that you can really get out of a collar. And that is my point of view.